Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this 13-port surge bar right here. And this was sent to us by the manufacturer, which is KungFuKing. Now, as you can see here, this cord will wrap nice and neat around here. So whenever you're storing it, it will look nice and neat instead of getting all tangled up like some of these do. You have two holes here on the back, so you can mount this if you choose to do so. Does not come with any mounting hardware though, so you will need to provide that. Let's go ahead and plug this in here really quick and see how this works. Right there, you can see the lights light up, turn it off, and the lights go out. Has your 10 regular plugins here, 2 USB-A's, and a USB-C right here. Now the USB-C is a PD port for 20 watts. Overall, this is 15 amps, 1,875 watts. So yeah, pretty good deal right here. We're gonna go ahead and test this little port and make sure it is a PD port and we are getting a fast charge out of it. And boom, we are fast charging. So that does work. So overall, really cool little products. Go ahead, once again, check this one out from KungFuKing.